Hey guys, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well, and today I have got more spoilers for yet the BoxyCharm Made box. Now we did have another variation. This was found at BoxyCharm Sneak Peek, so I will show you that. I will show you the other, I think 3 different variations that I put out earlier. And also, I'm going to go over the products one more time because I think there is 3 or 4 new products that we haven't heard of yet. So first of all, you will be getting in your box either the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser or the First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. The second thing you'll be getting in your box is either going to be the Alamore Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, and there is 3 different shades of that, or the Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick, and then there's another variation added onto this, or you could get the Holographic Stick by Milk Makeup. So the third thing you will be getting in your box is, of course, the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. There are 2 different shades, so you will be getting one of those 2 shades. And then the fourth thing you'll be getting in your box is the Dose of Colors lip product. Now this was confirmed, and these are the liquid mattes, I believe is what they are. And the shades vary on this, so you can get one up out of these shades. And then they added a couple more things to this, but earlier we know that this was an or, so it's a variation. So you could get either the Dose of Colors or the Oraza Beauty Lip Gloss, and there's 2 more variations added to this one, unfortunately. Or you could get the Luna by Luna Cosmetics, a lippy from them. Or if you don't get that, it could be the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So there are 4 different variations with the 4th thing in your box. Now, the 5th thing you could get in your box is either the Bodyography Eye Pencil or the Pure Cosmetics Lash Curler, or there's another variation added to this one. You can get the Lily Lashes, and I think it's Gaia Lash or Gaia Lash. I'm not sure how to say that. Y'all know I'm always butchering things. So those are the variations for the box. And again, there could be many more variations. We just don't know about them yet. So I will keep you guys updated on that. And of course, the theme is making waves. I put boxy waves, so I was wrong on that. So I'm correcting that now. I believe it is making waves. And that is all I have for you guys today. So make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every time I upload a video. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. It doesn't really matter as long as YouTube sees that you're watching my videos. And one more tiny thing before you guys go. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.